Hello guys, this is Svetlana from Comic Cosplay, and today I'm not going to make a cosplay crafting video. You know, I never do any paid advertising, like for example, get some free books on Audible or learn a new skill on Skillshare, play Raid Shadow Legends. I mentioned you, give me money. Like, I have high standards, and but the thing is, I got contacted by Kineticats, a figure statue maker from Singapore, and they offered me this free Zinogre figure just for one video, and I put my high standards for a few minutes away, and I'm going to show you a video about this amazing Zinogre figure. As a gamer and cosplayer, I love collecting figurines either for costume reference or just because they're cool. I mostly go for video game statues, a little bit of anime, and of course a lot of Monster Hunter stuff. I also did a few Monster Hunter cosplays already, and Zinogre is actually one of my favorites. So you can surely understand that I instantly fell in love with this statue. The designer of this baby was Wanda Wan, by the way. Please check out more of his amazing work on ArtStation. You can order the Zinogre figurine over the Kineticats website. I put a link to it in the video description, but depending on when you watch this video, I cannot promise that it will be still available. While the price for the whole set is definitely not for everyone, I think the quality speaks for itself. Shipping took a few weeks and it didn't come in the official package, but the box was still massive. As you can see, it came pretty well packed, separated in plenty of individual parts, which I had to unwrap first. The whole statue is actually a solid resin cast, so even this base rock is already quite heavy. I used a turntable, so it's easier to reach everything. Many of the parts are attached with magnets inside the joints, so they snap on very easily. It's also completely hand painted, and I just love all the details. I don't think I need to further explain how I put it all together, so please enjoy the rest of the assembly without me talking over everything. like this video and don't mind that I made an exception, but I hope you appreciate all the amazing craftsmanship that went into this statue, and yeah, you can understand that I had to make an exception this time. So Connecticut's, if you're watching and if you're working on a new Monster Hunter figure, I'm here for you. So, well, now I'm putting back all my high standards again, and so Audible, Skillshare, Squarespace, Raid Shadow Legends, and whoever you are, leave me alone, stop writing me emails, but I still mentioned you, so give me all the money. And like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and see you very soon with a new